Hey Mobincubers! In this video I want to show you how to manage the remote content of your apps built with Mobincube using this tool, Castor.io. I'm not sure if you know this tool. This is some kind of cloud, a storage cloud that you can use. It's something similar to Dropbox or Google Drive, but much more simple. Okay, but it's very well integrated with Mobincube because it's made from a friend company. So we can work close with them. So, well, basically it's like a folder system where you can drop your files and store them in the cloud. Okay, and well, as I'm not sure if you know that since Castor.io was launched like 2 months ago, they are still offering this offer. So if you register, you will get 100 gigabytes for free. Okay, you won't see that in the home page, but believe me, just create an account and then you will get your 100 gigabytes. So on Mobincube, I'm creating this very simple app, just with 2 screens. One is a menu with a button that will take me to the second screen. Okay, and in the second screen, I'm going to have one picture and one text, and both content will be stored on Castor.io. So let's start with the image. I'm going to drag and drop it, and then I'm going to select the image. So here I'm going to upload a new resource. Okay, so instead of a local offline file, I'm going to use an online one. Okay, but first I'm going to upload it to Castor.io. So I have here my Castor folder. So I'm going to drag and drop this one called cat1. Okay, I can preview it here. Okay, I have here my image, and then I'm going to select it and click here to get the sharing link. You have to request the link and be sure to check this checkbox. Okay, so that you have access to the raw file, because if you don't check this one, okay, you will have access to some website that will show the image. Okay, but if you want to use this image on Mobincube, you have to select the raw file option. So copy the link, and now you can just paste it here on Mobincube. Okay, so now I have this image. It's a remote image, as you can see in this link icon here. Okay, and I'm going to select it. Okay, so now I will use it for my image. So, well, we're done with the image. Okay, then I will finish the app with the text, then I will publish it, and I will show you on the phone what happens when I change the file on Castor.io. Okay, so let's go with a text. Let's drag and drop this online text. And here we have to put the URL of the text. Okay, it's basically the same, but instead of uploading an image, I'm going to upload a TXT file. Okay, let me create it first. Let's call it sample.txt and let's edit. Hey, this is my cat. Okay, for example, this can be the text. Okay, now I'm going to drag and drop it to Castor.io. Okay, and let's do the same. Let's get the sharing link, request the link, raw file, and copy. And use it here. Okay, so this is my text. I cannot edit it, okay, because it's an online text. Oh, what? Okay, I don't see it here, but I guess it's some kind of preview error. Okay, but let me preview the app. Okay, and I will show you on my phone what happens. I'm going to request a demo. It's going to take 3 minutes, so I'm going to cut the video for now. Okay, so here's my app here on the right, and this is the main menu with the one button. So if I click, I'm hoping it will download the resources from Castor.io. Okay. So I have here the image and I have here the text. Both are stored on castor.io. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to change those texts without the need of republishing my app. Okay, so first I'm going to start with the picture. Let's click on it here. And you see this icon on the top menu. This is for replacing the file without changing the sharing link. You have to click here and just select a new image, cat number 2. Okay, now I change the image on castor.io. Okay, in my phone the image is still there because it already downloaded the image, but if I go back to the menu, okay, and then I access the screen again, it will download the new image, you see? Let's do the same with the text. We are going to edit this text. Just click on the text file, and here in case of text we have two options. We can just edit the text here and click on save. So now in my app, if I go back and forward, it will download the new text. But with text we have another option. We can also click on the replace icon. So here it will tell me to select a new text file. So I'm going to select this one and it will change the content here. I can go back and forward and it will see the new text. Okay, and the new one I can still edit it here. And this is how easy it is. Okay, it was a very simple tutorial, but very useful, I hope, and I hope you enjoyed it. And please remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you will be notified by YouTube anytime I launch a new video with new tutorials about Mobincube, new features, etc. Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye.